We are going to share with you 5 different cordless vacuums with superior cleaning power and smart features. Whether you want to collect dust and dirt more efficiently, clean tough corners, or make the air in your home cleaner, these vacuum cleaners are for you. Let's see which one is right for you. The Shark Detect Pro cordless model detects and cleans messes in living spaces with 4 ultra-smart deep cleaning technologies. It increases suction power in corners and edges. It also optimizes cleaning according to surface type. It can illuminate hidden debris and provides up to 50% better dirt collection. With 4 powerful smart cleaning technologies, the device is 30% lighter. It has the performance of a full-size cordless device. The redesigned turbo-drive motor is lighter and more powerful with the power and performance of a full-size Shark. Captures and traps 99% of dust and other allergens. It features color-changing LED lights when the device's sensors detect large amounts of debris. It can be converted into a handheld vacuum cleaner for all-round cleaning and offers a runtime of up to approx. 40 minutes. Tineco Pure 1 S15 Pro model automatically adjusts the suction power according to the area with iLoop smart sensor technology. It increases cleaning efficiency and extends the working time. Featuring Tineco Pure Cyclone technology, this product strongly separates dust and air to prevent suction loss and pre-filter blockage. The full-color LCD display, exclusively for the Pro model, provides live 3D animation for real-time guidance. When cleaning is achieved, the iLoop ring turns blue and can easily guide you through the cleaning time with audible alerts. The device's interactive touch bar, integrated into the Pure 1 S15 Pro, allows control of the suction power. In addition, the device easily transforms into a lightweight handheld vacuum cleaner and cleans wherever it is needed. The Samsung Bespoke Jet model has a suction power of up to 250 watt. It has a cleaning mode with artificial intelligence. Thus, it optimizes the cleaning performance according to the environment. While providing the same performance as the medium mode, it reduces battery power consumption by 14% and saves energy. With its smart Wi-Fi feature, the device's functions and settings can be managed by using SmartThings applications. Moreover, it can track and report cleaning history. With its easy movement and control feature, it is possible to clean living spaces effortlessly. Compared to other Samsung vacuum cleaner models, it is 11% lighter. It is a device made of at least 30% recycled material with an environmentally friendly grid filter. The battery consumption of the device can be used for 35 minutes when fully charged. Numatic Henry Quick model stands out with its smart capsule feature, high performance, and ease of use. With its simple pod system, it provides dust-free emptying in one click. The device's scented capsule makes living spaces smell cleaner and fresher. It is easy to switch on and off for targeted cleaning results. This 2-in-1 combined tool provides effective cleaning even in tight spaces. The environmentally friendly filtration system with low energy consumption prevents damage to nature during cleaning. However, it reduces the environmental footprint with recyclable materials. It can be easily used in all kinds of areas with its large dust container and ergonomic handle. It can be used safely for years with the quality material content used together with its robust structure. The Dyson V15 model, together with its piezo sensor, continuously counts dust particles and measures their size. When necessary, the device automatically increases the suction power. At the same time, the device's LCD display clearly shows dust and dirt. The LED light, positioned at a right angle, makes it easier to clean invisible dust on hard floors. The lightweight and powerful digital motor rotates up to 125,000 RPM in 1 minute to capture microscopic dust and large dirt. It provides up to 60 minutes of runtime for better cleaning of living spaces. The fully insulated filtration feature of the Dyson model traps microscopic particles and allergens as tiny as approximately 0.3 microns. It easily removes fine dust from hard floors while making the air in living spaces cleaner from allergens. Please share your favorite parts of the products or any thoughts you have with us.